Hey guys, just thought I'd give you an update on my latest project. Doing another system in this little Audi A1. This is our little runaround. I just finished putting a dyno audio system in my wife's car, but anyway, doing another project. As you can see, the windscreen's out. That was because it was leaking through all around through the top corner here, and basically filled up the wheel well. So the carpet's out the back drying, and yep, it gave me an excuse to sort of get started. And with the windscreen out, it meant that I could go and start drilling some holes for putting the mids in, and we'll put some tweeters on the A-pillars. So we're going to put a set of dyno audio ESO TARs, I think they're called. These are the mid-bass, the 430s, so they'll just sit in there. And then we will put in these, I think they're 110s anyway, these massive tweeters, this crazy big faceplate on them. They'll go in here kind of on the A-pillars, but the good piece of news is you can actually take this faceplate off these and end up with a much smaller profile. So I'm actually going to get this original faceplate cut back to fit this size, but that's much easier to work with. To get this faceplate off, it's just these. I just use an Allen key to take those bolts out, and yeah, that's how you do that. Be careful because this actually all lifts off, and it's just the dome in front of the driver. So they'll go up on the pillars. Yeah, the problem with these small cars is there isn't a lot of room for a sub. So here in the back, all battery, there's a plate sort of sits over here, carpeted floor. I don't really want to lose the boot space because this is a sort of daily shopper. So I want to keep it pretty functional at the back here. So I'm not going to put the sub in here. Well, don't know how. I am going to put the electronics in the back here. I'm just making up a tray. It needs to be wide and it's too small, but we'll have a DSP Ultra doing all the all the leg work, an M6 to run the front stage, and then have an M1 which will run the sub, which I think I will put in the passenger footwell. It's probably the easiest place to put it. But yeah, I'm just going to make a tray, extend it out a little bit further so I can run the cables, and all the cables run and fuses and stuff will run in the back here, and then the speaker wires can run out to the front. We'll have a hex module so that we can just stream Bluetooth in, and as I said, I think I will put plenty of room for a front sub in there. I think that's going to be the easiest place to put it, to be honest. Yeah, so that's where we're up to at the moment. Still a lot of work to do. One last thing, if you do have one of these cars, they have a habit of leaking water through what is basically the metal joins in the footwell. So what I've done here is basically sprayed some sealant material in there to stop that slow leak. Pretty good stuff. Just this rubber coating spray on product. Yeah, so anyway, I'll take some photos and post up a little update when I make a bit more progress. Okay, cheers.